Hi guys, in this video we will be doing a product that is new to me here on my channel, and this will be the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. You would have seen this all over, but this is my time to try it. So we'll be doing a braid out, so if you're interested in seeing those results, definitely keep on watching. So hi, my name is Amanda Renee, and here on this channel I do all things natural hair. So if you're interested in natural hair content, definitely consider subscribing to join the family so that you never miss an upload from me. All right, so underneath this microfiber towel is essentially freshly re-dyed hair, and my hair is already in two, as you're seeing, and I will just be using this to achieve a simple braid out on my hair. I'm trying to move away from doing wash and goes, although I really am tempted to try this with a wash and go. I really just want to move away from wash and goes, so I will be doing a braid out. My hair is pretty soft, and I will start off with this section. Nice and simple. The braids will not be small, but they also won't be that large anyway. So I will definitely be just making sure that my hair remains damp. My hair doesn't have any leave-in conditioner in it because I want to give this mousse a fair shot at being used by itself. So one pump. Ooh, okay. I smell like a little bit of, I can't put my finger on it, but I don't know if that's the honey smell. I'm honestly not sure. It does say it has nettle in it as well, so maybe that's the nettle that I'm also smelling. So that's how much I will put. Maybe I will like it. Maybe. As I'm applying this to my hair, I'm seeing why the girlies would use this as a wash and go styler. But to be honest, as I said, I'm just straying away from wash and goes. I'm not sure if this is going to be moisturizing, but we will definitely see, especially seeing that I didn't use a leave-in, just to really test out the capabilities of the mousse. It said that it's a 4-in-1 styler. I'm not quite sure what the 4 uses are, but if one of them is leave-in, then, or conditioning, then count me in. So this is the first one. So I will do that for the rest of my hair. There'll be a montage. So, ooh, okay. And I do feel a little sticky, but it says it's honey, so we will see. So let's keep going. Alrighty, so as intended, my hair has been styled in some medium-sized braids because the intention is to wear it as a braid out, but this is also a protective while low manipulation hairstyle. So I will wear these for at least 2 days just to let the hair set in place. Then I will unravel it. One thing I have to say about the mousse so far, it honestly feels drying, not gonna lie. But I will definitely see. My ends need clipping. Oh dear. I will see how my hair turns out and if my hair will be soft or if this mousse is actually drying, because in the ingredients, vegetable alcohol is in the middle of the list, so I don't know how high the alcohol component is on the mousse, so we will definitely see. And as I said, here are the braids installed. I'll be back in about 2 days or so to unravel my hair, so stay tuned for those results. Alrighty, so it is the next day, or pretty much at least a day has gone by, and I am really eager to see how my hair is going to feel when I unravel these braids. I will do the first one on camera. I think I will also do a montage. I'm not quite sure yet, but based on how this braid feels, I will definitely tell you whether I am going to do a montage or not. So if you are new here, I don't unravel my hair with oil because the oils I find just sit on my hair strands, and on top of that, the oil does not make the style last long. So I personally don't unravel with oil. My entire routine in general just makes my hair manageable, so I don't see why I should unravel with an oil. So that's just a personal preference. But this is the first one. I don't know how I feel about my hair yet. I will continue unraveling, then I will come back, because really and truly I am not quite sure. Okay, as it currently stands, my hair, I know that mousses in general are not hydrating, so I was not expecting my hair to be pillow soft and extremely moisturized. My hair does not feel dry though. However, I don't believe that my hair is as moisturized as it can be, which is fair and which is fine, because I I don't mind not having a lot of product residue and a lot of product buildup on my hair anyway. So there's that. But this plait definitely feels soft. My hair feels soft though, that's the thing. So although the braids are not the most hydrated, my hair still feels fairly soft. So what I will do is unravel the rest of these on camera, well, off camera, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. So stay tuned. Alright, so now that my hair is done, I will show the side views, the back view, then I will give my final thoughts. Alright, so as it currently stands, the spiked honey mousse is not a bad product at all. So I will give this a 7 out of 10. As I said, it's not a bad product. My hair feels soft, not the most hydrated, but my hair still feels soft enough and I'm not complaining. So I am going to leave it at a 7 for now. The definition, you all can see the definition. The definition. Need I say more? The definition. The definition. For medium-sized braids, the definition. Am I expecting this to last the entire week? Given the breeze and given just overall sun and the fact that my hair has no leave-in conditioner, I am not expecting this to last 6 days. However, I am expecting my hair to last at least 3 days. Looking good overall on at least day 3. This is freshly done. At least 3 days worth of definition I'm expecting from this. I unfortunately will not be doing a day 5 or a day 4 update on my hair. However, as I've done in previous videos, please look out for the pinned comment, which will definitely give an update on my hair. Other than that, I really have no complaints with the mousse. It was very easy to apply, and I have had some mousses in the past where I have needed to spend a little bit of time detangling my hair because of the low slip factor in the product. But for this mousse in particular, I did not have to spend that much time detangling each section. It applied very well to my hair, and although I did say that my hands in particular felt a little sticky as I kept applying the mousse to different sections, that sticky feeling went away, and I can definitely say that the spiked honey mousse is a potential favorite. Keyword: potential favorite, because my favorite as it is right now is the Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam from the Do, and I'm not sure if the Spec Honey Mousse can really compare, but if you want to see a comparison video on my hair with the Crazy Sexy Curl plus the Honey Spec Mousse, the Spec Honey Mousse, I should say, definitely leave a comment to let me know down below so that I can prioritize that video and film it for you. And without further ado, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.